Hello kids, let's learn sea animals name. Let's start.
Jellyfish. This is jellyfish. Sea turtle. This is sea turtle. Yellow tang. This is yellow tang. Clownfish. This is clownfish. Seahorse. This is seahorse. Crab. This is crab. Whale. This is whale. Starfish. This is starfish. Sea lion. This is sea lion. Shark. This is shark. Octopus. This is octopus.
Stingray. This is stingray.
Dolphin. This is dolphin. Sea otters. This is sea otter.
Seal. This is seal.
Eel. This is eel. Lobster. This is lobster. Walrus. This is walrus. Squid. This is squid.
Moray eel. This is moray eel.